Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum and greetings. Welcome to more DIY woodworking videos. In particular today, the workshop cleaning video. Yes, I have just finished my first in my life, cabinet doors. I finished this long wooden table for working. You have seen it with the storage. You have watched the video. After that, two tasks left that I thought would be really easy, but it took me, it took me 4 to 5 days to figure out how to make things right. I knew how to make things, but how to make them right took me 4 or 5 days. Alhamdulillah, I'm happy that cabinet doors are ready. Everything is, sanded, matched. Now I just have to install them. They are poor man's cabinet door. I just wanted to learn, practice, learn new skills, practice new tools, practice my tools, and that I did. Ew, look at the sawdust. I mean, table saw is covered with sawdust. And right here, So, you know what? I thought I'll make a satisfying video. A time lapse of workshop cleaning.